The 2018 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel drive, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.